Hey everyone, this is Dhruv from Tech Insider India, and today I'm unboxing the Tarbull 550 Musicmate. Now this audio product is in no way a normal neckband. It comes with 1001 preloaded songs. And before I jump into its unboxing, let me go through some of the features that reads on the box. Now the brand claims that it is world's first earphones with preloaded music. There are 1001 super hit songs preloaded into the neckband. You get powerful 10mm drivers for clear sound and extra bass. As for the battery life, you can expect 35 hours of music playback time, and it also supports fast charging, wherein 10 minutes of charge will give it 10 hours of music playback time. It's time we unbox it. Now that all the box contents are right in front of me, let's go through them one by one. First and foremost, there is some generic paperwork that you get inside the box, and I do suggest that you go through it at least once. Next in line are 2 pairs of extra ear tips that you get inside the box, and it will help you find the perfect fit when you're using this device. Next, you get a USB Type-C charging port. It's a USB Type-A to USB Type-C. You can simply insert it into your systems, PCs, and even chargers that might be lying around in your house. Using it, you will be able to charge it. The neckband, as I said before, supports fast charging, where 10 minutes of charging time will result in 10 hours of music playback time. The complete music playback time is 35 hours. Now finally, here is the Musicmate 550 by Tarbull. Checking it out, the silicone neckband seems very comfortable and lightweight. There are controls mounted on the neckband. There are volume rockers, which are multifunctional by the way. You can also switch between your media using it. There's a play and pause button, and finally there's an on or off switch. Turning it around, here is the USB Type-C charging port, using which you will be able to charge it up. Now let me quickly put it on to show you how it's going to look. So as I thought, it's really comfortable and lightweight. You can wiggle it around easily. The ear tips are magnetic, so you don't have to worry about losing them. And once you put it on, this is how they're going to look. The ear tips are soft and they sit comfortably inside the ears. So guys, that was a quick unboxing for the Tarbull Musicmate 550 Bluetooth neckband, and I hope you found this video helpful.